Hi everyone, this is CA Kalyan Karri and welcome to my channel. I am your AI and BI educator. In this video, we are going to explore how to connect Claude with Power BI. We are going to explain in detailed way. Listen carefully. You need to install Power BI through Microsoft Store. Once you install Power BI, next you have to install VS Code. VS Code can be installed through Microsoft Store or via browser. I recommend you to install via Microsoft Store. Once you download both, now it's time to Claude. Go to the Claude website and download Claude desktop app for your system. All this installation is a simple process, just go through the installation process. Once you are done with the installation, now let's head to VS Code and search for Power BI MCP modeling server. Once you find it, click on install and accept any permissions it asks. Once the extension is installed, go to the part where the extension sheets. Otherwise, I am showing where you should go. Go to the users and then VS Code and then look at the Power BI modeling server. From there, you have to find extension file and copy the path. Once you copy the path, paste it in the another notepad or any sticky note and add double slashes for the path. Go to the Claude desktop app, click on settings, go to the developers and click on the edit configuration for the MCP server. It will navigate to a file, click on it, it will open either in notepad or VS Code. You have to replace this code with the code I gave in the description section. Also you can find it in the comment section. In the paste path here, you have to carefully copy this path and paste it there. Once you are ready, just do Ctrl S, save and close it. And then restart your system. If you did everything is correct, you can see MCP server in your Claude workspace. That's it. You are ready to use Claude in the Power BI. How you can use Claude in Power BI, we will see it in the next videos.